Hello Shane, this is Aaron from Voss Motors. I'm making this video especially for you. This is the 2015 Honda CBR1000RA. Here's the stock number 2709. The asking price is $13,588 plus HST licensing. Here's the VIN for your insurance purposes. It is a 999cc engine, liquid cooled, 4-cylinder, and it currently has 7,058 kilometers on it. As you can see, it's right on the outside with a black seat. It is in very good condition. Comes fully certified as very clean. It is considered the sport touring world, or super sport if you consider. If you'd like to come into Voss Motors to take a closer look at the CBR, you are more than welcome to. If you have any further questions, you can contact me at 905-660-2901. My extension is 213. I hope you have a great day, and thank you for your interest.